This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Netbeans. So Apache Netbeans, I'm right here on the main download page for Netbeans. We can find it right here at this URL that I'm highlighting right here on the screen. It's quite a long URL, so I will of course put that URL as a link just below this video in the video description, so you can just click the link and wind up here. Now, super simple from here. Version 28 is the most recent version as of November 2025. We will click download here, this green download button. Now we have two main options here at the top. There's a platform independent version and also there's a source version right here. So I am going to go for the platform independent version, which is the one that I recommend that you get. There are some other versions right here. So you will literally just click here to download Netbeans, the zip that will, depending on what browser you have, that will go to the downloads folder. Now I already have it, so I'm not going to actually download it again here myself. There's also a GitHub link as well, so you can get it from GitHub if you prefer. And if we go back here, so I'm back on the main downloads page. If you're interested in older releases, older versions, for whatever reason, you can click find out more here. And you have all of the previous versions of Netbeans. If you have some kind of compatibility issue or something, you can get an older version of Apache Netbeans right from here. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Netbeans useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.